The Airbus A380, a true marvel of engineering, is making headlines once again with its grand revival. The sky will become its playground as this iconic double-decker aircraft reclaims its throne as the epitome of luxury and innovation. The sheer thrill of flying aboard this majestic bird with its spacious cabins, unrivaled comfort, and cutting-edge technology is magnificent. This is the moment you've been waiting for, the remarkable revival of the Airbus A380, promising an extraordinary journey filled with wonder and excitement. The Airbus A380, often referred to as the Super Jumbo, is a double-deck, wide-body aircraft manufactured by the European aerospace company Airbus. It is the largest passenger aircraft in the world, capable of carrying a significantly higher number of passengers than any other commercial airplane. Since its introduction in 2007, the A380 has captivated the aviation industry and travelers alike with its impressive size, innovative design, and advanced technological features. The concept for the Airbus A380 emerged in the early 1990s when Airbus recognized the need for an aircraft that could meet the increasing demand for air travel, particularly in densely populated regions. The goal was to develop a super jumbo capable of carrying more passengers while offering enhanced comfort and fuel efficiency. The A380 project was officially launched in December 2000, and it took nearly 7 years of extensive design, engineering, and testing before the first A380 was delivered to its launch customer, Singapore Airlines, in October 2007. First, it's important to go over the factors contributing to its decline. One of the primary factors that contributed to the decline of the Airbus A380 was the changing market demand and evolving trends in the aviation industry. Airlines started to prioritize smaller, more fuel-efficient aircraft that could operate profitably on a wider range of routes, including secondary and regional destinations. The A380, with its large size and high passenger capacity, was better suited for heavily congested hub-to-hub routes, which limited its flexibility and appeal to some airlines. Also, the A380's high operational costs played a significant role in its decline. The aircraft's size and weight required extensive ground infrastructure, including specialized boarding gates, longer runways, and maintenance facilities. These infrastructure requirements, along with the need for larger crews, increased operating expenses for airlines. Additionally, the A380's four-engine configuration, while providing redundancy and safety benefits, resulted in higher fuel consumption compared to newer twin-engine aircraft, impacting fuel efficiency and overall operating costs. In addition, the size and limited availability of airports capable of accommodating the A380 posed operational challenges for airlines. Not all airports were equipped with gates, taxiways, and runways capable of handling the Super Jumbo, restricting its operational flexibility. This limited the airline's ability to deploy the A380 on a wide range of routes and increased their dependence on specific hub airports. Additionally, the limited number of airlines operating the A380 meant that maintenance and spare parts support were more limited compared to other aircraft types. However, in February 2019, Airbus announced its decision to cease production of the A380, citing a lack of new orders and declining demand for the aircraft. This decision had significant implications for the aviation industry. Airbus had invested billions of dollars in the development and production of the A380, and the discontinuation of the program led to a reassessment of the market dynamics and future aircraft development strategies. The reduction in A380 production affected the entire supply chain, including suppliers and subcontractors involved in manufacturing various components for the aircraft. The decision also had employment implications, as Airbus had to reassign or lay off employees involved in the A380 program. However, the company redirected its resources towards other aircraft programs, such as the A320neo and A350, which were experiencing higher demand. Moreover, in the wake of reduced demand, several major airlines started retiring their A380 fleets or placing them in long-term storage. This trend was influenced by the aforementioned economic considerations and changing market dynamics. Airlines found it more cost-effective to operate smaller, more fuel-efficient aircraft that aligned with their route networks and passenger demands. Notable airlines including Singapore Airlines, Emirates, Qantas, Air France, and Lufthansa either retired or announced plans to retire their A380 fleets. Some airlines opted to store their A380s temporarily due to the pandemic, which severely impacted air travel demand. However, the long-term viability of operating large fleets of A380s became less favorable as airlines sought to streamline their operations and adapt to market realities. Nonetheless, in recent years, there have been notable developments and signs indicating a potential comeback for the Airbus A380 despite its initial decline. Airbus has renewed its focus on the A380 program by reassessing market demand and addressing the challenges that contributed to its downturn. The company has engaged in discussions with airlines to better understand their needs and requirements, aiming to align the A380 with the evolving aviation landscape. This renewed focus has led to innovations and improvements in A380 features such as exploring lighter materials, aerodynamic enhancements, and more fuel-efficient engine options. By incorporating these advancements, Airbus seeks to improve the A380's economic viability and operational efficiency. Although new orders for the A380 have been limited, there have been positive indications from existing A380 operators. Airlines like Emirates, the largest A380 operator, have demonstrated commitment to the aircraft. Emirates has placed additional orders and expanded its A380 operations on key routes, showcasing confidence in the long-term potential of the Super Jumbo. Furthermore, there is potential for new customers and markets for the A380. Emerging markets with growing populations and increasing air travel demand, particularly in Asia and the Middle East, could present opportunities for the A380. Additionally, as air travel recovers from the impact of the pandemic, airlines may reconsider the A380's suitability for certain routes as they seek larger capacity aircraft to accommodate pent-up demand. Market forecasts and projections offer glimpses of a potential resurgence for the aircraft. Some industry analysts and experts predict a future demand for larger capacity aircraft, driven by population growth, urbanization, and increasing air travel in specific regions. This provides hope for the A380's potential as airlines and industry stakeholders reevaluate its unique advantages. The A380's spacious cabin, superior passenger experience, and ability to handle high passenger volumes remains unparalleled. As competition intensifies on popular hub-to-hub routes, airlines may recognize the value of the A380 in providing a distinctive and comfortable travel experience. While the future of the A380 is still uncertain, recent developments indicate a renewed interest and potential for a comeback. Airbus's renewed focus, innovations, commitments from existing operators, potential new customers, positive industry sentiment, and market projections all contribute to the possibility of a resurgence for the world's largest passenger aircraft. As the aviation industry continues to evolve, the A380 may find its niche in meeting the demands of specific routes and markets, reaffirming its position as a unique and iconic aircraft in the global aviation landscape. Moreover, the Airbus A380, despite its decline in recent years, has had a significant impact on the aviation industry. Let's explore the various aspects of this impact. Firstly, the A380 offers economic benefits to airlines, primarily through increased capacity and revenue potential. The aircraft's large size allows airlines to transport more passengers per flight, maximizing their revenue on high-demand routes. By operating the A380, airlines can potentially reduce their costs compared to operating multiple smaller aircraft to accommodate the same number of passengers. This cost advantage arises from economies of scale, as the A380's higher passenger capacity enables airlines to distribute fixed cost over a larger number of passengers. Secondly, the introduction of the A380 has brought both challenges and opportunities for airports. Handling the Super Jumbo requires specialized infrastructure, including dedicated boarding gates, longer runways, and taxiways capable of accommodating the aircraft's size and weight. While these requirements pose challenges for some airports, they also present opportunities for hubs capable of handling the A380. Airports that can accommodate the aircraft may experience increased passenger traffic and enhanced connectivity, leading to economic benefits for the local area. The presence of the A380 has also prompted airports to make infrastructure adjustments to accommodate the operations and maintenance of the Super Jumbo, further improving their capabilities. Lastly, the A380 offers a unique and exceptional passenger experience. The spaciousness of the aircraft allows for various cabin configurations, providing passengers with comfort and amenities that are unparalleled on other aircraft types. Airlines operating the A380 often incorporate luxurious features such as onboard bars, premium lounges, and spacious seating arrangements. This focus on passenger experience has a direct impact on market competition as airlines strive to attract passengers by offering the unique features and amenities provided by the A380. The presence of the A380 in an airline's fleet can influence passenger choices and preferences, enabling airlines to differentiate themselves in the highly competitive aviation market. While the future of the A380 remains uncertain, its impact on the aviation industry cannot be overlooked. Whether the A380 will experience a major comeback or find its niche in specific markets and routes will ultimately shape its future. Nevertheless, the legacy of the Airbus A380 will endure, having contributed to the evolution of aviation and the pursuit of innovative solutions for air travel.